And a new report is showing a big downside for teachers here in the Hoosier State.
Yeah, and we're talking about teachers' pay or the lack of it. Alyssa is breaking down why Indiana teachers are less likely to get a lot of a big paycheck when they're compared to their peers across the country. Alyssa.
Anne Marie, Ben, good morning. Everyone seems to agree teachers here in Indiana need better pay. This new report is from the Rockefeller Institute, and it found that teachers here in Indiana were only making $6,900 more in 2017 compared to 2002. So now, when you look at some other states, Alaska lands at that top spot for the biggest increase in salary. Teachers here saw an increase of nearly $28,000. And if we were looking at our neighboring states, though, Illinois teachers have seen an increase of about $19,000. Meanwhile, in Ohio, that increase sits at nearly $16,000. Now, let's get to that debate, and it's always the debate. Where do you get the money? Where do you get it? So Republicans say it's hard for Indiana to do much when it comes to teachers are paid by local districts. The Democrats say the Republican-controlled legislature hasn't kept pace with inflation when it comes to the money they give back to local districts.
And this is just one of several problems that Indiana teachers are facing, right?
It is. So we've talked about this other top priority that they have, and they say one of the top complaints is Indiana's core assessment exams for new teachers. And Bob Siegel did a whole investigative report on this. It's called Crisis in the Classroom. He talked about, how horrible those pass rates were. He looked at that. He talked with teachers and the State Board of Election. So if you didn't see this story and you'd like to learn more about that, just search Crisis in the Classroom. That's on our website. And of course, we're going to be following this and any developments that come out of the State House to hopefully improve this.
Sure. Yeah. I mean, it's about competition, too. When you're a teacher, you have the right to be compensated fairly. And when you look at the map and you think of where Indiana stands, it is an issue that at least needs to be talked about. So I'm glad we're highlighting that. Alyssa.
It's at the bottom.
Yeah.
The last state.
Yeah, but we're talking about increases. And so it's important that that's all relative to the base, right?
Yeah,
so
exactly.
let's put that in perspective.
Yeah,
all right.
Thank you very much.
Well,